Okay. Hi, all. Very good evening, and thank you all for joining. I would really appreciate today is Saturday, but you guys have joined, so I'll just make sure. Yes, yes. Good. Good to see you all. So, in next 1 or 2 minutes, I will set the agenda. So, today's topic is, as you are aware, that ATS friendly resume we will create with hands-on. I will show you the step-by-step procedure on how to create the complete ATS friendly resume, and at the same time we will see how to use the chat gpt to create the resume. Okay, so those two things we will go in the deep dive. So I'm just waiting for a few more people to join so that I can go ahead with my streaming. Right, so how are you all? By the way, good evening all. You can put it in the chat. I will just see like how many people are there on LinkedIn also. I'll just go over and check with you guys. Okay. Okay, great. So I see some comments are coming. Do we have anything extra in batch 10 from batch 9, or both batches have the same thing? So if you have already joined batch 9, you wait till the end of the class. You will see what difference we are having in batch 10. Okay. I would suggest you watch the complete video today, because ATS friendly templates, ATS friendly resume, how to prepare an ATS friendly resume was not there in batch 9. I am particularly focusing on making sure not only for ATS friendly resume, what I'm trying to get is for batch 10, more jobs we are targeting. So I have set a goal like more jobs. So that is why from the day one itself, uh, every session will be kind of a job related session. Okay. Right. So let me share my screen. First of all, I will set the agenda for you guys, and then we will slowly move on the next topics, like what is planned for you. Okay. So good evening, guys. If you are aware, if you are able to hear me, please tell yes, so that I can go ahead and start the session, and I will share my resume also with you all, so that you will be able to understand how actually the ATS resume works. Okay, so that is very important for you. That's why you are here today. I'll not waste much of your time. I'll quickly jump onto the things that you guys need to be aware before making your resume. Uh, Yes. So let me put this here. Let me roll out the resume for you. Yes, able to hear me? Can I start the session? Yes. Okay, great. Okay, so let me start the session. First of all, I will quickly go over the agendas that are set for you. Okay, so the first and the foremost thing, ATS resume template I will give you. Okay. The second point is I will take you over chat GPT prompts to prepare this resume. Okay. So the first topic I will start with ATS resume. Then I will go with the chat GPT prompts to create the ATS resume. And the third will be how to calculate the ATS. And the fourth one will be how to prepare or increase score of ATS. Okay. So very, very important. First one will be your ATS template. The ATS resume template will be our first point, where I will start with this. I will share a sample resume template, and on this template only, we will go ahead with ChatGPT prompts, and we will try to do this. And finally, we will try to see how to increase the score of any kind of resume if you have with you. Yes. Hi, Vivek Bhatak. Thanks a lot for joining. Arey yaar, why the screen is like this? Okay, now I think good. Okay, so I are you clear with what we are doing today, everyone? Yes or no? If you are ready, the first pointer I will start with ATS friendly resume. So the first point for today's class is this one, guys. Shall I start? Give me a yes, and then I will start with the first template of ATS resume, and then slowly we will go and see like one by one what are the things. Everyone, yes, on the screen. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, 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 okay. Shall I go ahead? Okay, great. So all of your eyes on the screen. So let me go ahead. And let me first share one of the template with you guys. Okay, all of your eyes on the screen, and this is the template of basically an ATS friendly resume. Okay, and we will go one by one. What are the things that you need to have in it? What are the important pointers you need to have? And to be very honest, this is an ATS friendly resume. I'm going to make everything, whatever you are able to see in front of you. I'll prepare the complete resume for a DevOps role, for an SRE role. If you are applying for any kind of opportunity, I'll be making everything in front of you. So that is what. So you stay till the end of this class so that you try to understand what exactly we are trying to do here. Okay, ready? Yes, Mustafa Shetty. Start karo, chalo bhai, chalo, start karte hain. So all of your eyes on the screen. So first of all, as I have told you, this is my ATS friendly resume. Okay, so anytime your resume, whenever you are preparing resume, the first 3 pointers you need to remember is what kind of jobs you are applying, right? Applying. The qualitative and quantitative impact you make, and the keywords in resume. Okay, these are the primary 3 goals which everyone should look for. Now, what is the number 1 point? What kind of jobs you are applying? So let me tell you in brief. For every company, there is a separate job description. I hope that you are able to understand. Job description 1, job description 2, job description 3. So every company requires different kinds of skills, different kinds of ability. Now, how to pick those things is basically you select all the JDs from the dream company. Okay, please, if you are writing down notes, you can write down, because on the basis of this only I will prepare my entire resume in front of you. If you need a dedicated video, I can prepare a dedicated video also, so that you are able to understand very, very easily. And that's how you will also learn with me. Okay, right. So please see, yes, if you are staying with me till the end of this video, and to be very honest, this template is for batch 10 people. So I'm just telling you all, if anyone is interested to enroll for batch 10, you can actually join the batch 10. As said to you all, the classes are starting from 28th of December. Okay, so we have like 3 weeks left, and already few of the people have enrolled, so they are going through the training internally. There are some documents which are attached. So if anyone is interested, you can enroll here. That will be very helpful for you. Yes, right. So let me go over my ATS resume. So before that, I'll just take a little bit of notes here. Okay, great. All of your eyes on the screen. All of your eyes on the screen. Okay. Now, according to the requirement of the what you call resume, I have told that the first and the foremost thing is to collect the jobs that you are applying. So whatever the job description 1, job description 2, job description 3 you have, you collect that. That is very much important. And from that, what you have to do, I will tell you, because we will be using Chat GPT to make a proper things for your resume. I will show you as we go ahead. The second point I have told you is qualitative and quantitative analysis. This is basically whenever you are trying to tell something. Let's say I am writing like analyzed, or let's say like automated the complete CI/CD pipeline and helped in deployments by reducing 50% of manual tasks. All of you see here, guys, whenever we are writing resume, always make sure you write in the quantity, what quantity or what impact. This is called impact of resume on HR. I hope you are able to understand these all things are impact of resume on HR. Do you agree with me? Guys, do you agree with me? Yes? Okay. Okay, you agree with me, right? So what I'm trying to say is, whenever you are looking out for any kind of, let's say like ATS resume or any kind of ATS friendly resume, this one plays an important role for you to create a resume. Okay, now we have seen the point number one, we have seen the point number two, we will see the point number three as we go ahead. So all of you see here, whenever you are preparing a resume, a order should be followed. Please write down the order of execution of your resume. Always write down from top to bottom. If this is your resume, you will see in my resume also, like what is the sample things that we are going to do, what are the things that we are going to look at, you will see. Okay, now whenever we are going to do this, okay, where is that? Yeah. Yeah. So whenever we are going to write anything, first of all, your name will be there, your contact details, okay, email ID, LinkedIn ID, GitHub ID, and immediately your skills should be there. Your skills means what skills you are good at, and your project experience. Very, very much important. What will happen with this is, whenever you are writing the project experience, write down in the chronological order, which means the recent project on top and the previous one with the chronological order, the recent to the last one. Now, once you have done this, always make sure you have your awards, education, and rest of the details. Now, all of you see here, guys, all of you see here, don't write anything. One of the important box is this one. Do you agree with me, all of you? Do you agree with me? How many of you agree with me? Please say yes, so that I will move forward. Do you agree with me? This is the topmost box which you are seeing. Yes. Why this is not? This is always professional summary. Yes, the professional summary or the experience summary. Do you agree with me, all of you? Yes or no? How many of you say like, yes, Praveen, you are telling correct? The project summary or the professional summary plays an important role for you guys to decide what is needed for your resume. Yes. What about others? Yes, obviously. So that is what I am going to tell you in today's session. So all of you see here, this is my name, this is my number. Okay, sorry. This is my email ID, this is my LinkedIn ID. You need to add your GitHub also if you have. Now, if you see technical skills, all the technical skills I have put here, starting from Python, because I know Python is very, very much important in today's world. If you want to clear any kind of product-based company, Python is a must and should. So for your information, I will use color coding what is important for you in 2025 to crack job. Python is the top most priority for you. Without this, you cannot crack any companies. Very, very much important. Java is not needed, and rest of the tools are very, very much important. These are the primary set of tools which you need to have in your resume, including Kubernetes, Docker, and many tools are there. But here I have just divided like virtualization tool. You can also add here like security tool if you have worked. Okay. So with this, what will happen is, at the first sight itself, the HR will get love with your resume. Means very crisp and clear. You have put everything. You are telling to HR that you know these tools, you know these tools, you know these tools, and other skills you see. Very beautiful. When you are trying to put any kind of resume, you write other skills as, let's say, like leadership qualities, correct? Do you write like this, guys? Yes or no? Right? We usually write like, correct, key, my leadership qualities, my communication skills. But if you put those, now those are not needed. You can put automations, production support, RCA, on-call activities. Now, if you are a fresher, let's consider like fresher. If you are a fresher, you can put the leadership skills. Okay, leadership skills. And what else you have? Like communication skills. And some other skills also you can put according to your experience. If you are a fresher, always make sure freshers are you can consider like you need to get a job. So whatever you can do, you have to do in that particular time कि यार मेरे को जॉब चाहिए, कैसे भी करके मेरे को जॉब चाहिए, मैं कुछ भी कर लूं मेरे को जॉब चाहिए. That hunger you need to have if you are a fresher. ठीक है. So let's get started. मतलब automations, production support, RCA, on call activities, these all things are important for every DevOps engineer. If you are looking in the market, people want automations, people want production support, people want root cause analysis, people want on-call activities. These all things anyways people need. But what other things that people look at DevOps engineers is these all things, whatever you are seeing right now. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. Problem solving skills. That's what, like problem solving skills will come with your Python automation skill. So we will not go deep into that, but yeah, that's very much important. Problem solving is also one of the important aspects. Are you all clear with the technical part? Can I go ahead with the experience and all those things? If you are watching, if you are feeling good, please share this post with your friends. On LinkedIn also you can share, no issues. Okay, right, that's very true. It's also needed. Okay. By the way, I wanted to check how it is looking. Okay, people are watching. Okay, so let's move forward. Yes, you are watching, right? Good. Now let's move forward. Let's see like some more things here. Okay, so once you have done this, if you are able to see all of your eyes on the screen, Walmart senior DevOps engineer. Okay, what are the tasks and the things that I am doing day to day? Now, how to design this? Let me tell you very honestly. All of your eyes on the screen. I will go with Chat GPT. Please see here. This is very important step. How to use the Chat GPT with your resume preparation, and how I have put all the pointers I will show you right away in front of you. So please have a look here. Let's say you are going to use Chat GPT 4. Okay, I will not go with this. I will go with this. Okay, all of you see here, I have already logged in with ChatGPT. I don't want to log in again, so I will just come back. So all of you see here, I'm going over the LinkedIn, okay, and I'm going over the job sections of LinkedIn, okay. So one important thing, if you are liking the way I am telling, right, even though you are not joining batch 10, you can refer to your friends who are interested to join batch 10. So I'm going to share you this link, and for your information, we are going to launch this batch on 28th December. So we have almost like 2 weeks left, where already for the 2 weeks, what you have to learn, what is the roadmap for you to prepare, everything has been given. So if anyone is interested in sharing these kind of things with your friends, with your family, or any kind of relatives at very less cost, you can definitely share. And in today's class, I'll be very much happy if 2 people enroll with batch 10. If any of you like the ATS resume class, let's say like after I complete, if you really like, 2 people are enough for me to take you in batch 10. So if anyone is interested, you can definitely join. So let's come back. Walmart senior DevOps engineer, all of you see here. So what I will do is, basically how I have put these kind of things here is, let's say like I am under my job section. So I will search like Walmart. Okay, let's say like DevOps engineer. Okay, now when I'm searching for Walmart DevOps engineer, you can see like DevOps roles are here. Okay, if you are able to see, develop fully automated CI/CD pipelines, existing CI/CD pipelines, train developers on best practices of CI/CD pipelines. Everywhere you see like hands-on experience with CI/CD, Linux, system administration, Jira, Splunk, Artifactory, hands-on experience, these all things. Copy this, okay, and put it in the Chat GPT. You can ask like roles and responsibilities for the below. Please write it down if you need this Chat GPT prompts. Okay, so all of you see here, once I hit this, you will be able to see that whatever the roles and responsibilities for the particular job description you had, it is clearly giving you the entire line to line very differently, and it is also giving the bold letters for you. So you just need to copy paste this, copy paste this, copy paste this, and again use your brain. Not everything you copied and put it in your resume, don't do that. Whatever you feel it's very good, let's say like I am feeling this is very good point to me, so I will come here and I will attach into my resume. Are you all able to understand? Yes. Are you able to understand like how I am keeping the pointers for you? Yes or no, guys? Did you got the chat GPT prompt, guys? Okay, now you tell me, did you got the chat GPT prompt, like what to use and how this is giving you the entire stack with respect to the job description? 100% this will be ATS friendly, because you are keeping all the things from the job description of your dream company. Yes or no? Yes. Quickly, I want quickly a yes on the screen. If you're watching me on LinkedIn, please say yes, then only I will move forward. Yes, yes, yes. Quickly, chalo. You like you understood, right? That is very much important whenever you are doing the job search. Okay. Yes. What about others? Only two people. Yes. Okay. 𝐏𝐫𝐨𝐦𝐞. LinkedIn people silent. LinkedIn people. Okay. All are silent now. One LinkedIn person. All are silent. It means that you are thinking like if I talk anything, someone will come to know, like that. Okay. Okay, I'm getting response. And please like the video. If you are liking the class also, you can definitely like the video. I'll be pinning the batch 10 link here. You can like this video. Okay. Now, let's move forward a little bit. Okay. Now you understood that, let's say like I'm reading one by one. Senior DevOps engineer in Walmart, January 2021 to present. Led the design and implementation of CI/CD pipelines using Jenkins, integrating Docker containers and Kubernetes for automated deployment, orchestration of microservices in cloud environments. See the quantity. Now we are moving towards the quantity. How much quantity of the things you need to put in the resume for your resume to match your skill. So let's say like this is very much important for you. So I'll put this in the other color, let's say yellow, right? Quantity also matters whenever you are doing, and these bold letters also play an important role for your resume. Now you see, whatever I am able to see, my eyes will first go towards the coloring part. Yes. So in the same way, whenever the HR sees your resume, whenever the HR tries to able to understand your resume, they should first see the bold letters part only. So you always make sure you are making the letters bold, so that you are understanding at the same time the other people also try to understand what you are looking for. Are you all clear? Fresher level prompts, definitely. See, for fresher, you take any fresher. See, fresher means now people are not looking for leadership qualities or something. If you see here, let's say like fresher DevOps role, let's say like this, I am not getting any fresher roles. So what I have to do, I have to say like internship or entry level, and let's see like anything is coming or not. See, Infosys is doing Q3. I don't know, like what is this? I think these are fake jobs or what? Oh no, these are okay. See, experience it is asking for 3 to 4 years. Okay, this is for 1 to 3 years. See, if you see a fresher role also, they will be giving you the same chat GPT prompts. Let's say like I will go ahead with like this. Okay, roles and responsibilities of roles and responsibilities of a DevOps engineer who has just passed out from college. Oh, sorry. I should have added. Yes. All of you see here, even though you are a junior DevOps engineer, even though you are an entry level person, if you are able to see the task, the roles and responsibilities matches the same as per the experienced person. Do you see? Do you see? Yes, thanks a lot, Mohammed. Everyone saw, right? I didn't do anything. For a fresher, if you are a fresher, the same thing is looked up by the companies. Okay, so there is nothing like a fresher entry role or a experience role. You have to make sure you know all these things by doing YouTube projects, or if you are interested, you can join my batch 10, or if you are looking for some other opportunities, you can go there also, right? But the learning or the tool set remains the same even though it is for an entry level. Very much important. Okay, so you need to understand here, there is nothing like in today's time in 2024 or 2025, there is nothing like fresher. You need to learn, you need to upskill, you need to apply. If you fail, apply. That's it. Very simple. Okay, so if you are seeing, these all things are made by the chat GPT itself, but few of the things I have changed in order to get me the what you call like ATS score. Okay, very much important. Now all of you see here in Verizon DevOps engineer, I have added this the same things, but here also I am putting this 30%. Okay, and here if you see, speed up, improving the deployment speed by 40%. So these all are like the what do you say, like the quantitative measures whenever you are trying to read or understand some things. So let's say like I'm going with some other JD. Let's say like I'm going with DevOps intern. Okay, let's say like DevOps internship 2 weeks ago, synopsis sync. I copy this. Okay, I copy this and I say to the chat GPT like roles and responsibilities for the below job description for a fresher role. Okay, all of you see here, even though I have asked for the fresher role, it will give me the same thing. Okay, if you see assistant CI/CD pipelines, Linux system administration, Python and Bash, Docker, Kubernetes, containers, clusters, cloud. So there is nothing like a fresher. So that's what like my intention to tell you is, there is nothing like fresher, and you can take the same things if you are looking to keep it in your resume. Now if I little bit go down, if you are able to see awards and achievements, this is very much important. If you are a fresher, you can keep your personal projects also. If you are able to see awards and achievements, always make sure you write for what task you have got it and what is your tool set that you have got it when you have got it. And you can put all the details of this and your education. Okay, for your information, what I will do is I will quickly go over a portal. How many of you want me to check the ATS score of this particular resume? Do you want me to check the ATS score? Yes. You want me to check the ATS score of this particular resume? How much this gives? And how to improve that? How many of you say yes? Like Praveen, I want to see that. You want to see? How many of you want to see? Like you want to see KR quickly? Yes, yes, yes. If you are in the class, you give me a yes, then only I will move forward, or else I'll stop it here. Yeah. Okay, so we have got one SRE opening at Apple. My team is having multiple positions to join our SRE team in Cupertino. Okay, this is California. If anyone is from outside India, you can apply to this Apple position and you can connect with 𝐼𝐻𝐿𝐻𝐿 also. Oh, he is working as a manager, so we can connect. Okay, so if anyone is interested and anyone is in California, you can prepare your resume based on this and apply accordingly. Okay, right. So all of you are ready? Yes, 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 yes. LinkedIn is always like silent. Josna, thanks a lot for joining. Good to see you, Dhanashri. Okay, great. So let's do that. Like what we will do is, whatever you have seen this resume, I will quickly download this resume, but see, I have to do Control Z because I have done so many colorings on this resume. Yeah. Okay, this resume is ready. What I will do is I'll quickly download this resume. Yeah, Dhanashri, you are from batch 10, right? See, very much important. Prepare your resume in the same pointers, whatever we have discussed. Start applying for the job if you are ready, right? And you will see the difference, right? That's what like my take is. It's up to you. If you are not ready also, that's fine, but if you are ready, that's great. So what I will do is I will change my resume name. All of you see here how to keep your name of the resume. Praveen Singampalli DevOps. Okay, all of you see here. So what I will do is I will download this resume as a doc. Okay, first I will show you with a document, Praveen Singampalli DevOps docs. And there is one website which is very simple for you to learn how to check the ATS score. So see here, Enhanced CV is the platform where you don't even need to log in. Okay, you need to just select get your resume score, upload your resume, and if you are able to see, this was my resume, right? Praveen Singampalli DevOps. If you are hitting on the click, you don't need to sign in also. It will generate a perfect score for you and it will tell you what are the drawbacks in your resume. Okay, before we see, can you tell like any guess what might be the score of this resume? What might general guess? What might be the ATS score? 90? How many of you say like 90, 80, 70, 60, 50? What is your wild guess? Yes, Dhanashri, yeah. So what is your wild guess? What might be the score of this ATS resume? What is your take on that? Any idea? Anyone wants to give a guess? No? What might be the ATS score of that resume? 85? Okay. Him Prakash is telling 85. Anyone wants to counter it? Anyone wants to counter it? Like you have the doubt? 70? Okay. Anyone else? Quickly, guys, when I'm asking now, just be quick so that we see actual score of the resume. 100 because it's yours. No. I have done so many mistakes there. If I am having 100 score, I would have not shared here. 85 to 90. Okay. Quickly, guys. Just a guess. Yeah, it hardly takes 1 second for you to type there. 80, 100, 90, 90. Okay. Any other guesses you want to give? More than 76. Okay. 74. Boom, bam. 76. Okay. Okay. All of you are telling like 70 to 80, but the reality is close to 70. Okay. Now, what are the errors in that resume? How this score has come? Let's see one by one. All of you see here. It's a great resume. Okay. It's not the best resume. It's a great resume. But you have to see what is the tick you got and what is the non-tick you have got. For example, quantifying impact. This tick is not unlocked for my resume. If you see spelling and grammar mistakes, I have still done some spelling and grammar mistakes. If you are able to see the format, which is coming as 67%, the file format and size is wrong. For your information, if you see file format and size, use a PDF file. If I change this docs to download as PDF, that will increase my score of the resume which I'm going to upload. Are you able to understand, guys, how to check? If you are able to see resume length, the length of the resume is okay. Good job. I have got good. Okay. If you see sections here, I have only given the contact information. So it is saying like phone number has been found, email address has been found, LinkedIn has been found, but essential sections like summary section, skills section, these are all there. Still some add-ons are missing, it is telling. Personality sections is fine. Styling, if you are seeing design, you are using a resume generic, little chance of standing out. See, what it is trying to tell is, it is trying to tell that if you want to little stand out, you can use like some latest resumes, but that's fine. We will not go with that. It's telling email address is not found. So I have given like this. So it is telling like you need to give the proper email address. It is telling which is the good one, which is the bad one. And you need to see like some other things also. Let's say like format, I have told content. Yes. So spelling and grammar mistakes, if you are able to see, there are some spelling mistakes which you can easily copy and paste it in the Grammarly. There is a website, right? Yes. What photo? Photo never keep in the resume. See, very simple, yeah. Photo is up to you. It's always a debatable question. If you want to keep a photo of your resume, photo in your resume, you can go ahead and do that. It's up to you. I don't have any issues. But usually, I see all for my resume, I have kept the photo. For this resume, I have not kept the photo. So I am agreeing with you. You can go ahead and keep your photo if you are looking good in the photo. If you want to represent your resume with your photo, it's okay to keep it. No issues. You can keep a photo here. That's completely fine. Okay, clear? Right. Can you please tell me how many pages can we keep for experienced candidates? See, maximum go with 2 pages. If you are still feeling like I want to add more, go with 3. Maximum 3 or 2 are okay. 2-page resume is okay. Okay. So now, okay, Swajesh. Okay, now tell me, how was the class? Did you learn something new today? Did you got something new? Yes. Yes or no? What is this 2 to 3? 2 to 3 is enough. Okay. Now, how many of you are interested to join batch 10? Because in batch 10, this 67 score, we will make it 90 to 100. Yes. So that is the reason, right? If you are looking to enroll for batch 10, right? Whatever you have seen this resume here, we will make the same resume, whatever you have seen here. Okay. Where is that resume? Yeah. This one, the resume score is, as of now, we have got 67, right? So I will keep both of them side by side. Whatever you have seen, we have got the score of 67%. We will make it 90 to 100 in our class, and each of you should follow the same strategy to make it a score of 100. So if you are a batch 10 student, if you have already enrolled, that's good. But if you have not enrolled, I will only take 2 people from today's live session. If anyone is interested to enroll for batch 10, yes, Swadesh has already enrolled. That's good, right? Only 2 people. If anyone is interested, you can click on that enroll button and you can enroll yourself. So how many of you would like to enroll? First, tell me a yes if you are interested. And secondly, we will talk about your queries also. Okay. Right. So, hi Praveen, how is it possible to give career? Okay. So career advice, definitely we will give. You can join the live. If you are in the live, we can directly talk also. Right. So any 2 people who are interested to enroll, Rohan, Jeet. If you are interested to enroll, I have already shared the link here in the live class. You can enroll yourself and call out your name. Once you are enrolled, let me know. I will give you a stream link for you to join with me and we can discuss any queries you have. Okay. So once you enroll, you can let me know. People on LinkedIn, I'm giving you the same link for you to enroll for the batch 10. You can enroll for the same, right? And you can also let me know, like, if you are interested to enroll or not, right? Based on your feedback, I will go ahead. If you don't have any queries, then I can go ahead also. Okay. This is the batch 10 link. You can simply go to the www.𝐏𝐫𝐨𝐦.in and you can enroll yourself also, right? Okay. So anyone who is enrolling, any queries you have, any questions you have, by the way? Any queries, any questions? Batch 10 is starting from 28th of December. Okay. Already the live sessions have been scheduled. Level 1 has been unlocked for you. Tomorrow you will get level 2, where you will have Linux questions, Linux theory documents, and some more add-ons for you guys. Okay. Tomorrow means Monday. Monday is the week 2. Week 3, there will be resume templates unlocked. Week 4, actual classes start. So the classes are starting from 28th December. If you are able to see, each week we will cover different topics. If you are able to see, starting from Linux, we'll go with Git, Jenkins, CI/CD pipelines, integration with various tools, Docker volumes, Docker images, Kubernetes networking, Kubernetes troubleshooting, basically tracing tools, Helm charts, security issues, Kubernetes real-time projects, AWS mega project, Terraform, creating playbooks with Ansible, Python real-time automations, Boto 3, monitoring, Splunk. See, these all things will be part of your batch 10 at a very low cost. You can book your seat today, and you can also take anything. If you need one-to-one mentorship, you can click on this. If you need batch 9, it means previous batch recordings also. Let's say like you want to cover the previous 3 weeks, you can take the batch 9 recorded videos also, and you can enroll yourself. Also, I'm going to give you job guidance also for your information. You will get my Infosys resume if you are a fresher, my Verizon resume if you are a 5 years experience, my Walmart resume if you are 7+ years of experience. Also, various kinds of company interview questions, mock interviews I will take with you, each project roles and responsibilities, job portals, LinkedIn profile optimization. So everything will be with respect to your job search. Yes. Okay. Right. Yes. Jana Manu. Okay. Any questions? If I take batch 10, is there any chance to get batch 9 videos because I have little experience? Okay, good. If you have that, see here, you can opt for batch 9 videos also. If you go to the book your seat now, you have to opt for this batch 9 videos. Okay, you can click on this and your price will be this. If you don't want this, you can book the batch 10 videos itself. Only 2 people. Okay, Janu, Manu. Any self-learning videos? Yes, self-learning videos are there. You can opt for batch 9. If you need the recorded videos, you can go with the batch 9 definitely. Okay, any more queries? Any more questions you have? Okay, template will be shared for batch 10 students. Okay, so there we will do the hands-on of making 67 to 100. We will look into deep dive. Okay, with various tools, various techniques. Okay, any more questions, any doubts, any clarifications you need? People on LinkedIn silently watching me, no questions, no queries, and jobs have been opened. Please apply to various kinds of jobs in the companies. Okay, take a bolder step, start applying for jobs. Okay, now someone is asking how to enroll. What is this? How we enroll this? Okay, Mohammad Junaid, this is the link to enroll. I have given the link. You can just click on that link, batch 10. If the link is not clickable, You can type that link, heydevops.in/batch10. It will take you to the batch 10 page. Hari Shetty, 4,000 rupees cost. Okay, 4,000 rupees cost. I have already booked the session. How to contact for the, see, you don't need to contact Jitendra. Okay, you have to wait for the sessions to start. Once the session starts, I will tell you if you have taken 1-to-1, then you can do all the things. Hi sir, I have enrolled for batch 10. iOS is still under development. As of now, you can use the website. Okay, Pranam Bahadur. Okay. Okay, anyone who is enrolling? Jitendra, that's great. But what I'm trying to tell is, if you have done the enrollment, you have to go in the website and check all the details. Okay, clear? Your email ID or 1-to-1 session. If you have opted for 1-to-1 session, Manik, then what will happen is you will be, once you join the batch 10 classes, I will tell those who have taken 1-to-1 sessions, I will give them the separate guidance. Okay, so you don't need to worry. Once the batch starts, we will start the 1-to-1 sessions. Okay, Manik, okay? I hope I am making it sense. One-to-one sessions are also there in batch 10. You can opt for the batch 10. Okay. Yes, credit card is also acceptable. You can pay through that. Hari. Okay. Any more questions? Any more queries? I hope you have understood how to use the ChatGPT prompts, how to make a tailor-made resume, what are the important factors you need to keep in the resume, how to select your project roles and responsibilities, and how finally your resume score is to be increased, right? I hope that you have got a good insight from today's class. Shamim is telling, hi Praveen sir, I have 1 year of experience as DevOps trainee. I got laid off before 4 months. Now I am doing technical support role at same time DevOps learning also. What should I do? See, Shamim, I am not sure if you have started applying for the jobs. Start applying for the jobs. Prepare your resume in the same format which I have done. If you are not able to understand, watch the video again. Prepare the resume, start applying for the jobs. That's what one suggestion I would like to give you. I'm not sure in the span of 4 months how many interviews you have attended, how many interviews you have failed. If you are able to enroll for batch 10, you can enroll, you can understand things and prepare accordingly. Okay, that is one thing which I can tell you. Okay, any more questions? One last question I would like to take, and then we will wind up this session. No more questions, no more queries. Okay, those who have enrolled, please go over the website. We will also walk over detailedly the complete analysis of the website. You can go to the website, click on the purchase tab. There will be batch 10 module. Go over the documents. Okay. As you go ahead, you will see all the different things getting added for your data pointers. So make sure that you are joining batch 10. If anyone is willing to help your friends by sharing links, you can ask them also to enroll. Okay, Pawan, yes, checklist. Definitely, we will have a checklist. We will get that in the batch 10. Okay, right. Thanks a lot for joining. We see you in the next class. Until then, take care. Prepare your resume like this, whatever I have shown you. One last glimpse. I am going to give you the resume, whatever we have prepared till now. Oh, where is that? Where is that? Where is that? So this was the resume which we have seen, a proper ATS resume. Still, there are some things to work here to make it 90 cross. We will do in the coming classes, like batch 10. We will definitely do this. Okay. So thank you all for joining. Please take care. We will meet in the next class. Already 9:55 p.m. has been done. So see you all. Take care. Bye. Yeah.